आजच्या काळात सेक्शुअल हॅरेसमेंटाच्यो केसीस वाडिल्ल्याच्यो घटना आमकां दिसून येता. हाचीच दखल घेत डॉन बॉस्को कॉलेज पणजेच्या प्रिव्हेन्शन ऑफ सेक्शुअल हॅरेसमेंट कमिटीच्या अंतर्गत प्रिव्हेंटिंग सेक्शुअल हॅरेसमेंट ह्या विशयाचेर एक सत्र आयोजीत केल्लें. ह्या सत्रांत डॉक्टर किम रोचा कुतो ह्यो वक्ता जावन आशिल्ल्यो. ताणें सेक्शुअल हॅरेसमेंट म्हळ्यार कितें, ताचे प्रकार कितें आसता आनी कायदेशीररित्या ताचेर कितें करूं येता हाचेर वक्तव्य केलें. त्या भायर हाचेर कंप्लेंट करपाचो प्रोसिजर कितें आनी कशें कॉन्फिडेन्शियलिटीचेर भर दिलो वता, तशेंच युनिव्हर्सिटी ग्रांट्स कमिशनचे नियम कितें आसात हाचेरूय त्यो उलयल्यो.
Regular job. She might be a person who's a temporary hand. She might have been only called for a specific work. She may be volunteering her services. Don Bosco does such a lot of activities. You have a lot of ushers, you have people who volunteer their services. Our college also has a lot of activities. We can have volunteers from outside. Any of these who are facing some kind of unwanted behavior in the college, from a male colleague or a male person, could complain. Are we okay here? If somebody is called to my college to weed the garden, can she complain if somebody interferes with her? Yes, because she is a daily wage. It doesn't matter whether you are getting a full salary or even if you are getting a daily wage. Are we okay here? Even these women, remember, are protected. Friends, I hope you are with me. Okay? Next. Little faster. Next. Now, who is an employer? You can say an employer because the law is putting a lot of obligations on trouble to register the case. Ultimately, they did it, but it did not get any justice. Banwari Devi did not get anything. She went to the court. In the court, the judge says, we can't understand. Can you just take the slide, please? We can't understand how a woman of a lower caste could get raped by men of an upper caste. It's a shocking statement made by a judge of the court, of the lower courts in Rajasthan. How a woman of a lower caste could get raped by men of a higher caste. Got it? This was too much to take. Finally, we find that a women's organization by the name Vishaka got in touch with Banwari Devi. They took up her cause and they filed a public interest litigation in the Supreme Court of India, the highest court in India. And before the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice at that time was Justice Verma. He came out, he and the other members of the court, they came out, the other judges, they came out with something called Vishaka Guidelines. And in the Vishaka Guidelines, students, they said, a woman at her workplace has to be